Cut in. To interrupt someone. Example: sorry to cut in, but I have something important to say. Take in. To absorb information or adopt something. Example: it was a lot of information to take in during the lecture. Chip in. To contribute to something, usually money or effort. Example: we all chipped in to buy a gift for our friend. Turn in. To submit something or go to bed. Example: I turned in my assignment last night. Step in. To become involved in a situation. Example: the teacher had to step in when the students were arguing. Check in. To register or report arrival. Example: I need to check in at the hotel before 3 p.m. Fit in. To belong or feel comfortable in a group. Example: he tried hard to fit in with his new colleagues. Bring in. To introduce something new or invite someone to join. Example: the company brought in a new manager to improve performance. Call in. To request someone's presence or help. Example: the doctor was called in for an emergency. Drop in. To visit informally. Example: she dropped in to say hi while she was in town. Let in. To allow someone to enter. Example: I let my friend in when she arrived. Break in. To force entry or interrupt. Example: the burglar broke in through the window. Come in. To enter or be involved. Example: come in, the door is open. Move in. To begin living in a new place. Example: we just moved into our new apartment. Pitch in. To help with work or contribute. Example: everyone pitched in to clean up after the party. Sink in. To be fully understood. Example: it took a while for the news to sink in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.